Hi, all. This is Lux, your librarian, and I just wanted to make a quick video about how you can use the library's website to see if your textbooks are available at the library. So, you can Google Marriott Library, or you can go directly to this site, lib.utah.edu. From here, you just look for the big search box right at the top. I'm going to put in the title of a textbook here, and I'm going to put quotation marks around it so that the catalog searches for this exact title rather than any book or other material that has calculus in the title. Then, and this is the really important part, be sure to select the USearch catalog rather than everything, which is the default, and then hit the little magnifying glass or just enter. And here are our results. My textbook I'm looking for is this top result, so I'm going to click on the title to get more information. And from here, up at the top, we can see it's available at Marriott Library, Level 3 in Open Reserve, or I can select Get It for all options. So clicking Get It just takes us to this little section, just a little lower, and it will tell us all of our options. So the first one here in Open Reserve, there are 12 copies, 8 are available, versus this is the general collection where we have 7 copies, but 0 are available. So we would definitely want to go to Open Reserve. Fun fact, that is an area of the library on the third floor where you can borrow textbooks. We don't check them out, we just use them within the library, but you can do whatever you'd like with them while you're here. You can even make good use of that book scanner we talked about. So if you have any questions, just email or call me at lux.darkbloom@utah.edu, and I am always happy to help. Let me know if you have questions. I love y'all.